Trump news. A surprising legal victory could be on the horizon for Donald Trump, according to a legal expert. The judge presiding over the classified documents trial of former President Donald Trump may have a hand in the ex-president's possible acquittal only weeks before the 2024 election. A former federal prosecutor and current legal analyst named Joyce Vance was speculating on the domino impact that Judge Aileen Cannon's rulings could have. Trump has entered not guilty pleas to 40 counts stemming from accusations that he unlawfully withheld classified documents upon leaving office and subsequently obstructed federal efforts to recover them. The ex-president has maintained his innocence and has claimed time and again that the investigation is an attempt to discredit him and his White House campaign. For reaction, Newsweek contacted Trump's legal staff via email on Saturday. The president was present at Friday's scheduling session, which Cannon presided over, to hear arguments over the start time of the federal trial that is due to begin in May. In response to a court order, attorneys for Trump, a Republican presidential contender in 2024, suggested that the trial not begin until 2025 because of the former president's busy campaign schedule, but they also suggested August 12 as a possible start date, according to Cannon's communication with special counsel Jack Smith. The planned start date for the classified documents trial is July. Like previous criminal processes against the ex-president, the Republican is quite concerned about the trial's timeliness. Should Trump emerge victorious over Joe Biden in November, prior to the classified documents trial, he has the authority to direct the Department of Justice to dismiss the federal case against him upon taking office, Vance claimed in a series of tweets posted on X, formerly Twitter, in the days leading up to the scheduled hearing that Trump's nominee to the bench, Kavanaugh, could potentially benefit Trump from her rulings on the disclosure of case evidence. Kavanaugh has faced criticism for her alleged bias in favoring the former president in the classified documents case. To address the proper handling of sensitive case materials during hearings, Cannon has had multiple pre-trial Classified Information Procedures Act (CIPA) meetings with Trump's attorneys and Smith's team. Vance stated that Cannon's calls on the evidence and the evidence she permits Smith's team to present could determine whether a jury finds Trump guilty or not. Is not possible to examine evidence-based decisions against the government on appeal in the event of an acquittal. As soon as the jurors take the oath of office, double jeopardy begins, and acquittal bars retrial. Vance stated, "That's it if the prosecutor failed to provide necessary evidence and the jury found the defendant not guilty. May come down to Cannon's rulings on the evidence if the matter goes to trial and Judge Cannon assigns Trump a trial date in August. Two major ifs. When all the evidence is in, the government has an easy case. Trump obstructed justice while keeping secret information, with voters gearing up to cast their ballots. An acquittal could result from the judge not giving the prosecution a fair go on the evidence." Vance elaborated by saying that Trump would only care about an acquittal and not the judge's role in admitting evidence. During the scheduling hearing, Cannon did not announce a new start date for the classified documents trial. Nonetheless, it is widely believed that he will move the trial up from May 20. Attorney Todd Blanche for Trump stated during the hearing that it would be a mistake and should not happen to schedule the trial before the November election.